Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farms. Today, I'm going to be changing the dining room area into where the living room area is, and the living room area into where the dining room area is. I used to change furniture around a lot, and my husband would say, don't ever come to our house in the dark or you might kill yourself because the furniture would not be where you thought it was. I did buy a new area rug, and it's been sitting there for close to 3 months now. I cannot believe that, but I did. An area rug is not something that I buy every year or every other year. Actually, I don't know that I've ever bought a pretty area rug. The one we have now, I got at Walmart for like $19.95. So I needed it to be what I wanted. Now I'm hoping it is what I wanted because, like I said, I haven't even opened it yet. But I will be using it because it's too late to send it back. I'm pretty sure it's what I want though. This is what the dining room area looks like. And then if you just kind of twist around here, you see the living room area. This is where our fireplace is. So I like being around the fireplace in the wintertime. So part of me almost thought it was too late to really even change things around because it'll be cold weather before we know it. But I'm gonna do it anyway. And this is the 1995 rug from Walmart that we've had for about 6 years now. I think it's time for a change. We got to get busy. Okay, so the first thing I did was take all of the plants and any pretties that were on tabletops or whatever off so that the furniture could be moved, of course. But I made a realization when I did this. When I moved into this house 2.5 years ago, I felt convicted by God that I needed to get rid of my pretties and that the life here needed to be functional. So, in my living room and dining room, everything that I removed off of tables fits on one table. And I have to tell you, when I moved here, I got rid of 10 boxes of pretties. They were not little boxes, they were huge boxes. They were just normal everyday items that you would sit out and enjoy. Now I do have this cabinet that has some things on it, but a lot of those things are functional and I use them. So now what I like to have is what I call functional pretties, like these baskets that I use almost every day. My other functional pretties are my cast iron and mason jars. If your cast irons are hanging on a wall somewhere, tell me about it or show me a picture in the comments below. So you'll see that what I did first is I took all of the plants and pretties and everything out of the way so that things can be moved. So let's do this. guys. I got it done. So you'll remember that there by the fireplace, we used to have the couch area. And now, so I have some of my plants. I'm thinking maybe I have too many plants, but can you really have too many plants? I don't know. I have a friend that painted this little sign for me. Can't quite see it there. There. She knows I love cows, and it's just so sweet. And now, because we don't have the TV in front of these windows, it's so bright and cheery in here, and when I look out, I can see my chicken house and be able to watch the chickens. I can see my gardens. It's so nice. Here's another view of the dining room. I had the tables together when they were in the other side of the room, but I like to have them spread apart like this. And now if I just twist around, here's the living room. And I do love my rug. It has the blues and oranges and kind of that worn look. It's lovely. Now, my footstool, I've tried to hide it there, has a striped cover on it, so I'll need to replace that. So I'll probably just use some canvas drop cloth and make a cover for it. But the TV fit very nicely on this piece of furniture, and I just think everything turned out great. I hope you enjoyed this.